Okay, so I've been really procrastinating filming finance videos, and I talked about this briefly in a previous video, but the truth is that it's just been really overwhelming after a while of not being on the ball, not being in charge of my stock portfolios. There's really no excuse really, it's just me dragging my feet and I'm just not excited about it. I guess really forcing myself to face up and look at this is I just cannot accept that there are parts of my life sometimes where I fall into dips of a funk, and then I tend to distract myself with all the other things that are going well in my life, and I say, hey, look at how great those things are, and they are really great. Some of them are really exceptional right now, but the truth is that yes, my finances are bothering me because it's been such a long time since I've been feeling like I have things under control. And I got a call from a really good friend of mine. His name is Chalk, and he was like, you just gotta look at this. There is something that is not working. No right or wrong, but it's not working. And is this how you want to live your life? Is this what you want to continue choosing? Are you this suyin? And the answer is no. I'm not gonna accept this. There is part of me that tends to fall into this loop. So thank you, Chalk, for catching me. I love you deeply. And this is me checking out. Yes, I had to re-download. So the first one I'm checking is Tiger Trade. And why Tiger Trade? Because I have this portfolio specifically for my family. We came into the money that we didn't spend when it came to Tomorrowland. We took that money and we decided to just invest in ETFs because we wanted to use the money later on when we had a chance to go travel again. So looking at the portfolio, it is not too bad really. Yeah, it's really not too bad. I don't know why I did not open this for such a long time. I'm not going to show it to you because it's something that I want to keep private, I guess. Basically, the interface is great. Looking at it, I see straight away the daily profit is red. Today's profit and loss is negative $40, which is 0.23% down. But my total profit and loss is in the green. It's less than $1,000. It's alright, I guess. I'm not losing money. So I've opened that account. It does feel lighter, it does feel better. And at the same time, I know I have a couple more accounts to open and look at. So we'll do all the overseas ones first. Yeah, one of my fears is that password is wrong and I've forgotten password details and things like that. So far so good. It is still okay. But yeah, this particular one, Thinkorswim, is by TD Ameritrade. It's also in the green. So anything US is looking good. The funny thing is I can tell you that the best decision I made was during my breakup. I really didn't touch any of my portfolios. That's a long period, right? A year plus. And before that, I was already slowing down with investing. So this was really the last thing that I did for myself. And I can see and I can tell you that I have one particular stock that isn't doing great. It is a company that I hold very close to my heart since childhood. I think you can take a guess what that is. But before the breakup, I queued for another company that is very YouTube related, and I'm glad that that went through because it went down to a really good amount. And yeah, that one is giving me really good returns at the moment, and I'm happy with that. And I still have a lot of available funds that I have not utilized, so investing in the US market does look good. The only thing is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 shares in total in this portfolio and money left over. So I gotta get real here and make decisions, start reading up on companies again. I guess it's really not so bad, right? Looking at this. It's just been my stubbornness of not wanting to open up these accounts, having a look, keep track. So far, I think that is it for my US side portfolios. I still have StashAway and Syfe. I guess I can open those. Okay, let's show you what's going on in Syfe. So we can see my managed portfolios. Oh, okay, it's green at the moment. They're both green. Portfolio returns are 265 Sing dollars for core equity 100, which is the Syfe selected portfolio, and then the custom one is 291. And if I remember correctly, I only have 2 ETFs that I chosen in this portfolio. I chose a semiconductor one, an S&P 500, and iShares SGR. That was what I chose at that time. Okay, I guess like it's doing pretty well. This is nice. Automating in the background, earning me Sing dollars because, you know, as a Malaysian, our currency is not strong. So you can see dividends received. So far so good. I guess I've not topped up any money into Syfe, but I can see it going on in the background. I like that they can show me on one interface exactly what's going on with the whole thing. I have some cash. At some point this year, I actually transferred my StashAway invested money into StashAway Simple because I was not happy with how they were managing my money. I guess some people will say it's the wrong move to pull it out while I was losing money, but yeah, that was the risk I was willing to take, and I was okay with that. I can see here that StashAway Simple is earning me some interest. I have 44,000, so basically 45,000 invested in StashAway at a projected rate of 3.8% per annum, and basically I have nothing in my investments. It's all just cash management at the moment. And what I know people have been doing is they've been using StashAway to buy the ETFs they want, which is useful as well. But yeah, I haven't really decided what I wanted to do with my StashAway account yet. But at the moment, at 3.8%, that's where this money is sitting. Yeah, I need to make a plan for what to do with this money. Whether I'm just gonna move it to Syfe or thinkorswim, one of them. Decisions to be made. I have been really slacking, and this is not a site that I show very often. You often see the site where, you know, I'm happy, jovial, and I'm like making progress and proud of my progress. But yeah, this part of it, like, truth be told, do I want to be in a situation? Not really. Is it really bad? Not really as well. Like, I'm just dragging my feet, just being very stubborn, and I think people can relate to this. Like, there will be seasons where we are super interested in like what's going on with the thing we're really passionate about. Like, we're all in, and I really go all in, and sometimes life has different plans, and like I get distracted, and there will be a pocket where I'm not as interested. Maybe like other things are piquing my interest, such as surfing, such as like spending time with people I love, new relationship, friendship, training programs. And yeah, life is exciting, but at the same time there are so many different areas of life that are important to me, and I need to pay more attention to, especially when the muscle is weak. So this is something that I learned actually. I've been doing weight training, which is like going to the gym for a couple of years now, and initially what happened was that I was super focused on just training my glutes, which is like squats and legs, and I never did upper body. So what happened was my muscles were very imbalanced, and it affected my posture, lower back pain, arm pain, here pain, everywhere pain, and it is just not a way to go. And I guess like that's the thing that I can bring into my like learnings, is that in life I do need more balance, especially when it comes to something as important as finance. It is a very important pillar in my life, and when I'm just like dragging my feet, like not doing what it takes to be on the ball, or at least if I fall off the horse, like get back up on the horse. Yeah, I can't believe I've been like really like a slug, just dragging my feet for so long. So this is out for all of you to see, and I hope that by having this video out there, it inspires, motivates you to just like get going. Don't be so stubborn. Don't be like me, where it just, I just allow it to like sit at the back of my mind and cause me a lot of unnecessary stress, and distractions were used so that I don't think about this too much. That's the end of this video. I will see you in the next one, and by the next one I will have had a look at my Malaysian stocks and start moving things around and have a plan and start executing on it. I'll see you. Bye.